I just picked up this blue collar rig off Copart for only 2,300 bucks. After fees and everything, it ended up being around $3,600. But a blue collar 2,500 cat eye for only $3 grand is kind of a steal. This was the damage on it, and we fixed everything that was wrong with this thing. That includes the hitch, the exhaust, the rear bumper, and that's really the only thing that got damaged. That junk clean. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we won this truck. Let's get a little flashback 2 weeks ago to whenever I bought this truck off Copart. Trying to win this Silverado for under 2,000 bucks. It's currently at 1,000. It'll be a good profit, but I think I might want to keep this. Bang, mine's next. Let's win this thing. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that. Am I about to win? Am I about to? Oh! Do it, don't do it. Okay, I won. I won the truck. Let's go. We took off the rear bumper. Now we gotta put the new one on since it's not on yet. This rear bumper got hit pretty hard. I don't know how it didn't cause any frame damage. There's no frame damage under there. So we took off this rear bumper and we cut the exhaust off. Play that clip. We're gonna cut off these exhausts because they look terrible. Oh. There we go. Look how badly this thing is. As a man once said, classic 5.3 exhaust. The exhaust got some damage too on there. We got rid of those. So now we gotta put the rear bumper on because we just bought one the other day. Y'all can see I have no rear bumper currently, but for 40 bucks on Facebook Marketplace, I had picked up one. I'm not exactly quite sure how it's gonna fit because it came off a 1,500 and not a 2,500, but it's gonna work somehow. All right, I'm gonna back this thing into the garage now so I can mount this bumper on here. I hate how cold it is. The bumper out the dumper. Just flat on the ground. There's only 3 bolts that go in this thing. Actually, 2 nuts, 1 bolt. This should be pretty simple to put up. I don't think it's gonna be too difficult, but we shall see. I'm hoping this looks good. $40 fix to fix a wrecked truck is kind of insane. Oh no. Well, I got that side done, so time for another side. I think there appears to be a body lift on this thing. That is not very normal. Oh baby, right in the money.
Filling my end of the job, pulled this bucket down. The wind started to blow it away, so I sat on it to keep it clear.
I have this spare hitch I have off a 2006 GMC Sierra, and we're gonna see if we can mount this thing on here, even with the body lift on this thing. I don't know if it's gonna work. I might have it. Oh, I think the cords are in the way. They are. It don't look like it fits. Let's just throw it up there. All right, I'm gonna get, is this an 18? 19.
21.
It's a 21. No, that ain't gonna fit. Yeah, that don't work. Nope, it will not work. The hitch does not fit on here. It's currently getting blocked by part of the frame. Not really sure why, but no hitch today. No hitch goes on the truck.
Oh, you're good. You're good. All the way, you're good.
Yeah! Yeah! Now there's no room in here. We just pulled the truck in. Currently, right now, we discovered the heat doesn't work. It needs an oil change. Sounds pretty good. Currently, it's freezing where I live. This thing does not have heat. It's blowing out cold air. But the good news is that the dash knocks, so that could be a blend door. We're gonna figure out if the heater core is clogged or not. I really hope it ain't, because I'm not changing the heater core in this thing. I hate being 4 foot tall. Oh, dude, this thing's got new heads, new injectors. So how we're gonna figure out this thing has heat is there's 2 hoses that go into the firewall. If both of them are hot, that means that the heater core's fine. If one of them is cold and one of them's hot, that means I need a new heater core. I'm really hoping it's not the heater core because I'm not paying for a new heater core. Okay, they're both cold. I might be stupid. I might have to watch a YouTube video. Little crazy discovery we made here. They've written down that they put in a whole new engine in this thing at 2,101 miles. So brand new engine with 20,000 miles on it. So I might have got this thing for a steal, but I really want this heat to work. What I really want. Oh, yeah, no, there is a little bit of dirt in there. Don't want that going in my engine. The worst part about this truck is climbing in here. Gonna need that down there. All right, I need a ratchet and socket. Ugh. Ow, frick. Where's this old pan at?
It's under the engine.
Oh, thank you. I gotta find, ow! Keep hitting my head on that. Oh, dude, so freaking epic. I got my exhaust right here, and the oil pan thing's right here. Oh, I'm gonna need a short socket. I can't even get it on there, because the stupid exhaust is in the way. Yeah, that helped. Oh. This is...
That might rattle.
Yeah. Okay, they both do it. Gotta get real. I got it. Now my favorite game to play is, will I get oil on myself? Normally I'm pretty good at this game. I'm worried that's gonna hit the exhaust. Oh, no oil on me. That is totally hitting the exhaust. Oh, shoot. This bottom ball joint looks pretty bad, and this upper ball joint looks pretty bad, so... Oh, God, I don't want to change any more ball joints after last week. I need a rag, and then I need to grab something to get off that oil filter with. And then we can start loading this thing up with oil. Oh my gosh, there's so much oil on that cardboard. Okay. Gonna burn off. Alright. Where's that darn oil filter?
What?
This is
where it's at now.
You said what?
I know where it's at now.
Pep, I'm covered in oil.
Well, that's you changing the oil. You're supposed to be covered in it. We can make gloves for it.
Oh yeah, I forgot about having the gloves. I messed up. Got the oil done, so now we gotta put this oil filter on. If you never changed your oil before, whenever you put your oil filter back on, you need to lube this up. So that's what we're about to do. Oh God, get a little bit of oil. Oh yeah. Lube that thing up. Now, I have seen some people fill it up with oil before, but you don't have to. Just a little bit more. A little bit of lube never hurt nobody. Oh my gosh. We need a lift. Let's put this nut back in. Tighten this bad boy up. All right, now we can put oil on this thing. Now we gotta put the oil actually in the car.
This isn't a car.
Oh, snap.
Nice shot.
My back is gonna break. I think my back might actually break from doing this. This is probably the most top 5 uncomfortable positions I think I've ever been in my life. This pours so slowly. Oh my gosh. I'll take that thing away from me. I spilt it. Give me a rag. That was 5 quarts. It's time for a 6. Let's check this oil. Boy, that looks like good, fresh oil. We just finished up the oil on this thing, so now it's time to back it out and see if my heater core's bad in it. All right, let's back this John out. Frank, where's the keys?
You and the keys.
Let's hope this thing doesn't blow up. Look at that, guys. I thought I did really good. I did not. All right, so we're about to leave for lunch to go get some Chick-fil-A, and this guy comes around this corner, he just spins out right in front of us. Might have been the funniest thing that happened all day here. I'll play the clip. I got the heat blowing in here, so we're gonna see if it's a heater core or not. Oh, dude, it's burning off all that oil I dropped. All right, moment of truth. They're both super cold. I don't know what that means. Snowflake was on. Why was Snowflake on? Yeah, no wonder it was freaking frozen pipes, because a Snowflake was on. So we found out this side blows cold, but the passenger side is blowing hot. So we know heat works. There's just something not connecting in here. Let's go for a test drive. Pulling this thing into the garage, I heard a little bit of squeaking. My ball joints look pretty freaking cooked though. Dude, this is a big truck. shifts pretty good. It feels good. The problem, there's no radio. That's the only thing I kind of hate. Good thing this isn't automatic and not the manuals we've been dealing with. Bro, I think I need to bring these people a pie because they put up with so much of these cars coming down. I got 4-wheel drive. Okay, Will. We might need power steering. Maybe a little bit of power steering fluid. I don't hear nothing. It sounds good. Do we see how good the 4x4 works? Goes off-road pretty good. This is where I'm cutting off the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We have more stuff we're gonna do to this thing, like rock lights, maybe different wheels, an Apple CarPlay radio. So stay tuned. I have more cars that we are building out, and it's gonna be some good ones. Please like and subscribe so I can go buy a car lift.